ஓம் நமோ நாராயண நாராயண ஓம் நமோ நாராயண நாராயண. You know what is the difference between noise and music? Noise is chaotic. When there is rhythm in the noise, it becomes music. So similarly, life is chaotic when it is miserable. And you find harmony when there is rhythm in life. Music creates that rhythm.
Itarama namame tudi maname diname.
Lovely. Om Sharavana Bhavayenum Tirumandiram Tanai Sarajapiya Name.